Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V21 and let me share with you how to enable call waiting on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the settings and here let's enter calling counts. Now let's tap on the card you've got currently inserted and pick additional settings. So as you can see, I've got some problems with my SIM card, but no worries. As you can see on the second position, we've got the call waiting. So all you have to do in order to turn on the switcher, just tap on the switcher on it. And as you can see right now, it is active, so it means that your device from this moment will notify you about any other incoming calls if you will be currently on a call during a call. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to enable call waiting in your VIVO V21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.